Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. Guys, I know you see this, I look rough and all of that, yes, but that's that. I was just actually cleaning, so I cleaned and now I have to go pack. So I'm gonna show you the situation in a bit. So my head's killing me, so that's why my hair kind of looks so. Kind of pull this all the way out cause I have a headache, migraines. So right now, this is the pack with me vlog for vacation. So next week, well, actually not next week, Saturday, my sister and I and Toby, we're going down to one of our other friends' house, Lisi, and we're gonna spend like a week and some days. I think it's about a week, yeah, from Saturday to probably like the other week, Monday, or so it's pretty much like the 9th to like the 18th, right? So it's about 10 days or so. So it's quite a lot of stuff. I'm gonna need to pack a lot of clothes and all of that, you know. So when I worked it out, it was like 9 suits pretty much, 9 morning, 9 evening, plus extra little loungewear, something. So I earlier, before I went to clean, I picked out some stuff. So I'm going to show you guys the situation. I'm going to fold and then I'm going to look the rest of the things before I actually start packing. Now it's actually Monday, but I want to start packing because my week is going to be very hectic. Tomorrow I have like a fun day. Wednesday I have my hair to do. Thursday I have graduation. Then Friday I have some other appointments. And then Saturday we leave, and Saturday I have a meeting in the morning and then I have to leave. So the only time I would actually get to pack would be Friday afternoon. And I'm the person, anxiety is going to kind of cause me to feel like I'm always leaving something. So I prefer to pack now, and then by Friday, if I feel like I'm leaving anything, I would actually add that to the bag. So right now I'm going to show you guys what's happening over there, and then we're gonna start folding and then find like the bathroom stuff, jewelry, and all the other things that we're gonna put in the bag. So without further ado, let us get into this pack with me vlog. So this is the situation. Don't mind that random hair and up out there. So I emptied my school bag because this bag is kind of easy to pack a lot of things in. Plus it has like this that goes over the suitcase, and I'm like, I always carry an extra bag, and that's like the perfect size. So this is the suitcase I'll be carrying. It's kind of like a medium size kind of bag. Yeah, can pack up a lot of stuff in there for the 10 days. So yes, that's what I'm gonna be carrying along with this. So all of these things with more stuff is gonna need to go into the bag. So, well, not the earphone, not the dolly, ignore that. Right now I have quite a few stuff here. Where to start folding, I have no clue, but I did separate the things that I needed. right, so these are my evening wears. I'm still kind of thinking if I want to add like a jacket to this or it's an overall thingy. I have the idea because it would make it a bit more classy kinda. No, I might just carry it. This is my evening wear. Then I'm going to now start on the day wear and the bath suits and the lounge wear. So, oh yes, I need another dress. Shoot, I forgot. Alright guys, so I have just update. I have folded my loungewear. I only have two. Loungewear meaning like yard clothes for those who don't know, but yeah, yard clothes. Still need to find myself a dress, but anyways, this is what I'll be wearing down. So when I say, yeah, I'm gonna still fold it because I need to put it with the stuff, so I must still fold that. And then I'm gonna fold these. So yeah. Alright guys, so I've just got done folding all the clothes, and to be honest, it looks like a lot. Like, it looked woolly. But anyways, I got the evening wear, morning wear, lounge, night clothes, bath suits, church. And then another church. I need to go look that before I keep forgetting, because I keep forgetting it. So yeah, I'm gonna look that and then I'm gonna put them in the suitcase. Guys, I am tired. It's kind of dark because I turned off the thing because it was bothering me. So I'm really tired. So I'm just gonna put these in the suitcase, clear off my bed and just take a lie down and do the rest, like get everything else, the bathroom stuff and all of that, because I actually have like the bathroom, most of the bathroom stuff is already in this, because I keep all of my going out stuff in this most of the time. But I do need to add in like other things, and there's another bag that I need to put up, because bathroom stuff meaning like not the soap, the rag, the loofah, thing like that. This having like lotion, perfume, things like that. I need like a bag that can take wet to put in rag, and there's something there in it. So I need to find where that bag is, or find another bag for it. So yes, I'm gonna be putting these things in the suitcase once I find my church clothes. And see if I can like get this to like right there, and then the towels go right there. So I want everything to like pack it. Get me? Alright guys, so you just see I finished putting all the clothes in there. I'm tired. But I have quite a few stuff that I had on my bed. I don't know if I'm gonna start it out right now because I'm tired. So I might just, as I said, I'm probably just gonna leave it because I have to go different places around my room, probably to the bathroom, depending on what I need. I'll find this stuff. So I'm gonna actually take a rest. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it tonight. I might finish it tonight. If not, then I'll finish it tomorrow. So I'm gonna just give this a rest. Should have actually taken out the thingies. What you call that something we have in the bottom of my bag? We actually clip them. But anyways, I'm gonna just clip it soon. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put these things in here because this is gonna be carried, but I don't know how or where, you know. I wanted this to go in the suitcase, so it didn't work out. I could put it in my bag, just like that, you know, just like that. And then this is the aim for carrying this bag, like, you know, it's easy. Because this is like a travel bag, but I use it as my school bag. But for now, we're going to use it. Yeah. So, I'm going to put that in a closet and clear up the place. And then just chillax. And I'll see you guys whenever I start packing the rest of the stuff. Hey guys. So, it is actually Sunday. We ended up not leaving yesterday again because of some business that they need to take care of. So, and thankfully, because right now I'm not even done pack, so I'm gonna finish packing right now. Remember I didn't pack like the little thingies, so I'm actually packing that right now. I packed some makeup, just some light makeup, and then girl done pack. Hey! Anyways, and then I'm gonna actually pack these things right now. I'm gonna get them together. So hot. So I have these to pack. I don't know how this is gonna hold. If I can find a container to put this in, like that smaller, then that would be great, but I can't find anything. This is one of the bags. I've never worn this bag from. I got it for my birthday, so this must can go with my outfits. So I'm carrying that. I'm also carrying this purse, which I also got for my birthday. So that's 2 purses. So bring so I don't know yet. This is how I put in like my rag and them something there. Rag, soap, loofah, them something there. Yeah.